Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invite friends in Dragon City. First, open your Dragon City game and look for the social icon, usually found on the bottom or side of your screen. Tap on it to access your social options. From there, you'll typically see an Invite Friends or Add Friends button. This is your gateway to expanding your in-game network. One of the easiest ways to invite friends is through social media. If you link your Dragon City account to Facebook, you can directly send invites to your Facebook friends who also play the game. Simply select them from the provided list, and an invitation will be sent. Once they accept, they'll show up in your in-game friend roster, ready to play alongside you. Another great method involves using friend codes. Every player has a unique friend code, which you can usually find in your game settings or profile section. Copy this code and share it with friends via text, email, or any messaging app. Your friends can then enter your code into their game to send you a friend request, making it simple to connect. Inviting friends offers many benefits, including cooperative gameplay, trading, and earning special rewards together. If you encounter issues, first ensure both you and your friend have the most current version of Dragon City installed. Also, a stable internet connection is crucial for sending and receiving invites smoothly. Double-check these points for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.